My name is Sid Munyo.
We are
Angry Bird fan club.
today we come to review Angry Bird 2.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Ready?
Let's go!
Oh!
As hero, I have a duty to defend the pig.
Wait a minute. Do you want to eat pork?
No. I am Angry Bird, hero of Bird Island. I see the pig.
Oh, so you are Angry Bird fan club. Did you know that season 2 won?
Wow! Is there a season 2?
You know season 2. Bird and pig will not fight anymore. There are 2.
When I will not definitely company with the pigs.
Hold on because the dogs is like easy and they are evil people who will take the world. They must therefore join to protect the world.
Just in land. Who is that in real dancing?
He is Zaba, the wicked of this island.
Then, what's real happen next?
Oh, like this, you have to go to YouTube and the website to read more.
Oh, I am go.
Go!
Go!
Truth. Again please. Truth. An agreement between 2 people or group involved in a war, fight, or disagreements to stop in for the period of time. Next. Fruct. Again please. Fruct. To develop successful relationship.
Recruit means to get someone to work in a company or join an organization. The name scheming means after planning secretly to do something for you or inventing executely by thanking other people.